will bring us to Valdez. Tomorrow is my birthday. It's my birthday, my birthday. Will be tomorrow, yeah. And this will be really nice. It will be the first time that we will be with the car in a ferry. And I hope that you will be here with me again.
Try to hike up there.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
Before we cross the tunnel in Portage and Whittier, I think, we decided to do like a hike that brings us here to the glacier. Byron, I think is the name of the glacier, Byron Glacier Trail, and it's really beautiful. And around me, behind me, is all the glaciers. We are like in a valley. It's really special, this place, really beautiful. And it's a little cold, but not so much. Today was a really like a sunny day, and Alaska in September normally has like a lot of rainy, but we had luck these 2 days and we could really enjoy a nice sunny day.
Hey, look at this. It's like we're in the middle of a glacier.
Want to jump there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Check this out.
It's nice, unicornia. Huh? Yeah, it's really nice. Fabian can be a holder. Be careful. Like a crazy plane.
Kisu.
How much will you? We are going now to the tunnel that brings us to Whittier, and I think it's Portage or something like that tunnel.
Hey there.
Hi.
We would like to go to Whittier. That's 21 feet and 10 tons. It's open.
Okay, thank you.
Just drive.
Okay.
How long is it? 2.5 miles. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that the tunnel?
Welcome.
It's right here.
Yeah.
This house.
Yeah, it is.
Drive.
It's on the you drive on the train. What? Rail. Yeah. It's either train or cars, because that's important that he said to you that's open. This is the
seriously?
Exactly. 2.5 miles like that.
What the hell?
This is horrible. It's a nice feeling.
What is this?
And here that is the longest mixed combined highway, rail trail, railroads on North America.
I'm scared. Look at this.
Look this. Wow.
I'm scared.
No train come, please. One mistake and we are gone.
I'm on the trail.
Look this. This is the trail for the train, and we are passing. Biggest highway tunnel in North America, and is the biggest in North America at 3,200 feet. The walls are really close to the car.
You don't even tell me.
This is really nice.
I don't think so.
Whittier, there we go. And then left. Wow. Ooh, we are out. Woo-hoo.
Don't go, it's scary.
Look at these people are waiting too. This is the special? The ferry.
Whittier! Look at the sign, there we are. We will take the Alaska Marine Highway ferry tomorrow morning. That will be exciting.
Yep.
Isabella, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh wow, a cake even with a candle. Thank you guys. She just went out and bought them. Seriously. What is your name?
Janet.
Janet?
Kenny.
Kenny. And?
Melody.
Melody?
Sam.
Sam. Yeah, thanks. Pleasure meeting you.
Happy birthday.
Really
Wow.
nice. I need my wish.
There you go.
Wish for sunshine.
Don't tell me what you wished for.
No.
Nice.
We just started putting stickers on the truck.
And now we are going to the ferry because they need to measure our car to put on the boat. We are shipping the car from Whittier to Valdez.
Guys, now we go inside and Isabella will film how it is. So just if you're interested in how the shipping works. He's gonna go out with us for being measured. Thank you.
Thank you. And here we are again. Hi. Obrigada. Obrigada, dona mãe.
Você viu o Facebook, não?
Adorei. Mas eu vou escrever para a senhora.
Oh, we turned it off.
The lady went now inside to check if the gas is off because it's important that's on the boat.
She just wanted to see inside.
I told you. You see? Are you relaxed now?
We're not on the boat yet.
Yeah, you will be.
They just opened the gates. Right there. So that's our boat. So what's important, propane, you have to close your propane tank. You have to tell them that you have dogs. On this ferry they don't cost anything, but if it's a longer ferry then it costs something. Be careful. Ferryalaska.com. Like you Google Ferry Alaska or Alaska Ferry, it's a difference. We Googled Alaska Ferry and then there's alaskaferry.com, and that's a travel agency that looks exactly like that and charges. The lady said the same, but I think she was nice. She just wanted to give me a good experience. I think we paid more just because we did this mistake. So the real one, ferryalaska.com, and that's where you get the real deal. So be careful when you do that. All good. We'll put some stuff around. So, happy birthday on the ferry, Isabella.
Have a little
Still have the cake. So we say bye. Look at Uni, Vasco, bye bye. They're all unfortunately not allowed on deck. Weather not so nice. Bye bye. That's huge. Here we go.
the front.
So where do you want to sit, birthday kid? In the front or on the side?
The side. On the back, the chairs.
I think it's gonna be empty anyway, so we can move around.
We could take the computer too. We can go back on the car, right? Something?
Yeah, then now, but why?
The computer then. Could you work a little?
Well, we just found another area outside. They call it solarium because of the roof. And yeah. Here's Whittier again, all the waterfalls. Here's the birthday kid.
It's my birthday. We are now on the ferry. I think Fabian showed you before this place. It's really a nice lounge area. I think takes like 2.5 3 hours to do the trip from Whittier to Valdez. Fabian said that he wanted to do like a siesta to really enjoy the ride. And take the ferry is really like, our opinion is a little expensive for what it is, but in this case for us was really important, because if we do not take the ferry, you need to do the whole way back again to Anchorage, the same highway, and then it would be really like too stressy to drive like 8 hours, and with the ferry, like I said, you have like 2-3 hours and you're on the other side. Then in this case deserve, and because it's my birthday, then it's also nice. And from there we will do like off-road into, how is the name of the place? You remember, Fabian?
McCarthy.
Yeah, it's the road that we will take. It's a little off-road that is, I think, 40 kilometers or 50, no idea. And everybody says it's really beautiful. Then this is our next stop after Valdez. The dogs, unfortunately, needed to be on the car. They could not come here with us on the lounge area, but it's okay, they are resting. And yeah, and I suppose that in 1 hour more, in 1 hour more, I think we will be there. Then I show you again. Bye bye.